All right, y'all. It happened. I took 2 losses, took 2 trades, broke my rules. But I wasn't mad at it. I just was caught in chop. As you can see, we're just chopping. We're just chopping along. Got up at the top of this candle here. I already got in here. And then we inverted again. I got in, here, which isn't a bad entry, honestly. We came down almost. My TP was like below this low. Then we reverse stop me out again. Now look, we're going back down again. So yeah, we're just in a chop. And this I was talking about yesterday, where yesterday we inverted a 5-minute upside, came back, boom, and it wound up being in my 100 tick bracket range. But most days on a 5-minute, that's a big range. So you're just gonna get clapped in it. Like I said, every time I hate when there's a bunch of fair value gaps together like this, like boom, 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 boom. Because like I said, it can invert these to bounce into these and come out like it did. First, you have to wait for all these to get inverted, and at that point, it could just reverse from here. Like that's a small move for this entry. And as you see on the 30-minute, we're just chopping in this big ass gap. So I don't know what we're doing. We're just in the gap, just chopping. We're even here. We're just chopping in the gap. We have not really pushed up. We have not pushed out. We did invert this big one, and now we retested it. So I thought we would at least take out this low. Nope. We're still now going up. We're just in a chop. So it's what it is. That's why you don't take 2 trades. Because you could think, oh, now we're finally pushing the direction. It's right. And then it's just chop. So it is what it is. I'm still, we'll just go back to, I just wanted to test it and see like what it would look like. And, 1 trade a day. We're risking $500. So there's no need to try to force 2 trades in a day. Honestly, you just got to. It's like I keep getting close to a drawdown, back out, blah, blah, blah. So, same shit, different day. And we're going to keep trucking along. I do feel like I'm getting a payout this month, though. I feel it in my bones, y'all. I feel it in my bones. Like I said, it's the new strategy, and I got to work out my entries and stuff. So, tomorrow I'm going to try at 9:35. Because if I already got in, like 9:36, 9:37 off of this IVG, boom, printed. So, I think that's what it's going to be. The first 5 minutes play out. And go from there. They got all these highs. I think that's the move. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Got some good samples from TikTok today to record some good videos for. And, yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow.